The Weight Management Council forms a group where members of industry come together to uphold the highest possible standards in the terms of provision of weight management. You imagine if you're a consumer and you're trying to decide on a commercially based weight management service. You're never sure how much it will cost or whether your consumer rights are protected. What people ought to be doing is to be looking for accredited service providers that are either members of a professional society or a commercial provider that's a member of the Weight Management Council and therefore adheres to the code of practice that is administered by that council.
For consumers, at the end of the day, the only assurance I guess that you can have is to follow a weight management product that is part of our code of practice and that is a member of the Weight Management Council of Australia, because that's going to be your assurance to know that the solutions that they offer are going to work and they're effective and they're safe.
Nutrition Australia's role in the Weight Management Council is to assess the suitability of the members, to instill consumer confidence that these companies are credible and providing credible information, and to ensure that they adhere to the code of practice.
Weight Watchers, along with Jenny Craig, were a founding member of the Weight Management Council of Australia. We needed an organisation that was a spokesperson for the industry. There's a very stringent code of practice to be a member of a Weight Management Council, and I guess that's one of the reasons you've only got literally half a dozen members in it. If you're a member of a Weight Management Council, you tick a number of boxes. And those boxes include scientific rigour and credibility and evidence-based programs. You're financially credible and you're an organisation that's been around for a long time. And thirdly, you're not out there making claims that you can't substantiate or deliver.
There was way too many products and services out there that had no scientific backing. There was no reassurance for our members. We follow government guidelines. We work with a number of governing bodies in the nutrition area, and we felt that this council was probably the best place to start to try and make the changes and to ensure that the public are receiving the information that they want.
Being a member of the Weight Management Council has enabled the Optifast team to demonstrate that our program is credible and meets the high standards of the council. Customers can be confident that they are enrolling in a program that meets these high standards, ensuring our claims are backed by scientific evidence.